Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and you know that I want to reduce that wait time that you have to wait to get the killer leaf springs or maybe a lift kit for your van or RV. And we are trying to have more of this in stock so it's ready to go when you want it. Let me show you what we got in the works. Come on. So this is just the beginning, our new 2,000 square foot warehouse design, just to carry all of the parts that you want for your van and RV. This is really boring right now, but we're gonna make it awesome. This is gonna be a lot of fun. All right, so here it is, guys, our finished shipping area. And wow, is it coming together nicely now. I would say it's not really done yet, but we're getting product on the shelf. And our goal is to have more product. You can see the crazy amount of leaf springs that we have in here, as well as even method wheels. So if you're wanting to build out your van or RV, we have the parts here for you to do it. Get on our website, let those fingers do their work, and order some killer Weldtec Designs products. Thanks guys for hanging out with me. I'll see you later.